What can the Maverick say that has not already been said? Except that the Jamaican athletics landscape will not be the same without the legendary Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. She came, she saw, she conquered, and she conquered with elegance, class, and grace. And it's tempting to say Shelly will leave a massive void in the local space. But from what we saw in Tokyo, the progression is really and truly in progress. The active regeneration and the replenishment of the sprinting stock is evident. And Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was right there in the mix, literally handing over the baton to the next generation of young stars who will be trying, no doubt, to walk in her massive shoes. Obviously, this will not be a replacement. How possible it is to replace the GOAT? What Shelly did was to set the bar so high that those following in her footsteps will have to aim for the sky.